So, my good friend, I am going to show you one of the easiest way to make money online in Nigeria without spending a single naira. Now, when I say without spending a single naira, I mean that there is no capital, no investment, no bringing any two persons that will go and bring another two persons that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can start earning using this method I'm about to show you in today's video. The only thing you need is just your smartphone. Yes, a tablet, a laptop, and internet connection, and of course a Facebook account, because what we are going to be making use of in that Facebook account is Facebook Marketplace. Now, once you've gotten this, the next thing I want you to do is to click the like button. Yes, you heard me right. Go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video, right? And then I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just go now and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, let's jump straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to know what Facebook Marketplace is. Then the second thing you need to know is where to source the product you are going to be selling, because we're not going to own this product. This is people's product that we're going to be selling to make profit, right? Now, the next thing you're going to know is how to make money selling this product, because I'm going to show you how you can make money selling this product. Okay, now the next thing you need to know is the hot selling product that you need to be selling. It's not all the product that you're going to be selling. You need to know the hot selling ones that you're going to be selling so you can be able to sell as soon as possible. Then the last thing you're supposed to do is how to upload this product. Yes, there are things you need to do, there are things you don't need to do while uploading this product. So I am here to let you know that. Are we good? Yes, click the like button and let's fire on. So first and foremost, what is Facebook Marketplace? So Facebook Marketplace simply means a platform, a free platform in Facebook app that people buy and sell products like phone, shoes, clothes, furnitures, even services. It is just like Jumia or OLS, but guys, this time around it is 100% free. So now you've known what Facebook Marketplace is. Let's move over to where you can be able to source the product you are going to be selling. Right now, when I say you don't need any capital to start this, no investment, no anything, then it means that anybody can actually do this, whether you're a student, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, or you have a 9 to 5 job that you're doing. Right now, let's go over to where to source the product you are going to be selling. The first place, if you're a stay-at-home mom, is you have to look within your environment. It's not only a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a student or you have a 9 to 5 job. The first place, the basic place you have to source product is within you. Me that is making this video, I have a whole lot of used product that I really want to sell. So you have to start from within your environment. Right now, after exhausting the product you have within your environment, you have to take it to the next level. That means you need to visit markets. Yes, actual markets. So if you want to sell phone, you want to sell used clothes, you want to sell shoes, furnitures, go to market. Market is very big, so you can get sellers that are selling this thing that you want to sell. Right, so that is the next place you can be able to source the product that you are going to be selling on Facebook Marketplace. Now, should in case you are the shy type of person that don't like talking to people, I once had that problem, right? Yes, so I have to just give you a little backstory. There was a time I find it difficult talking to female. Anytime I'm speaking to female, my palm used to sweat and my legs used to sweat. My heart used to beat to the extent that I have to hold my clothes so that you don't notice that my heart is beating, because I find it difficult to talk to female. So people have this problem of talking to people. They feel shy talking to people. But even though I feel shy talking to female, just let us meet on WhatsApp. I am going to finish your life. So let's go back to the business of the day. So there are people that are shy, they can't talk to people. So if you're in this category, you are shy talking to people, then this tip is going to be okay for you. You are surely going to love it. Now, what we are going to do, if you're in this category or if you don't like talking to people, you're going to visit this platform called Gigi. I'm going to leave it on the screen so you're going to see it. So visit Gigi, you're going to see a whole lot of product there. Gigi is being known by selling used items. Yes, don't get me wrong. You can actually buy new products on Gigi, right? But Gigi is being known by selling used product. The first Android phone that I ever used in my life, it was fairly used. I bought it from Gigi, and when I wanted to sell it, I also sold it using Gigi. So Gigi is kind of similar to Facebook Marketplace. So if you get to Gigi, what I want you to do once you get to Gigi, I want you to change the location on Gigi to the state that you are. If you're in Lagos, change it to Lagos. If you're in Port Harcourt, change it to Port Harcourt. If you're in Abuja, change it to Abuja. All right. If it is possible, bring it down to the local government that you are in, right? Now, why do you need to change your location or your local government? Why on Gigi? You need to do it so that the product that you are going to be seeing are going to be people within you. The sellers are going to be within you. So that in a case of someone wanting to buy the product that you posted on Facebook Marketplace, you can actually go and meet this actual seller to supervise this particular product that you want to sell to your client, so that if your client is kind of asking you any question, you can be able to defend that particular product. That is why you need to bring it down to the state and the local government you are on Gigi. So any seller on Gigi, you will see their contact there. Most of their contacts are even on WhatsApp, so of course you can still chat them up or even give them a call, right? Yes, so that is the place you can actually source products. The description of the items are there, the pictures of the items are there. The only thing you need is just to copy and paste it on Facebook Marketplace seamlessly, right? Now, so since you've known the places you can be able to source the product, the next thing I'm going to let you know is how you can be able to make money uploading this product for you to sell, right? So how you are going to be making money is either you are going to be sourcing the product within your environment. The owner, the actual owner of this product, you need to negotiate with the person. Ask the person, how much are you going to sell this particular phone? Okay, so the person could say, okay, for this phone I would sell this phone 100,000 naira. So if you could find someone that is going to buy this phone for 100,000 naira, I'm going to give you 10%, 20%, or 15% commission for finding someone that is going to buy this phone for 100,000 naira. So reach an agreement with the person, right? So after reaching an agreement with the person, you can go ahead, take a picture of that product, go to Facebook Marketplace, upload it, right? And then clients will reach out to you, you will sell, you take your commission. Now, I'm going to give you another bonus tip on how you can be able to get more money aside the agreed commission that the actual owner of that particular product is going to give you. Now, let's say this particular owner of this particular phone, the owner of this particular phone wants to sell it for 100,000 naira, right? And then the agreed commission is that you are going to get 15% or 20% commission after selling this phone for 100,000 naira. Now, what you are going to do is to add another money on top of the 100,000 naira, the actual cost price of the phone. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying, but if you're understanding, let me know in the comment section. In fact, if you have gotten to this point, I want you to click the like button. Yes, click the like button. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Now, with all this being said, let's continue with the video. So what we are going to do is, this phone is being sold for 100,000 naira. You are going to add extra money on top of the 100,000. Now, what I call that extra money is fair price. That is what I call the extra money. So the amount you are going to be adding is, if the phone is 100,000, let's say you are going to add 25,850 naira. That is what you are going to add to the 100,000 naira. Okay, yes. So that when you upload it on Facebook Marketplace, people have liberty of pricing. They have liberty of negotiating. So you don't post a product and then the price tag is saying 100,000, 500,000, and you'll be expecting your client to just dip hands in the pocket, bring out the 500,000 and give you. They are definitely going to negotiate. So that is the reason why you need to make it 125,850, so that if your client is going to negotiate, they might remove probably 10,000 or 15,000 out of the 25,850 that you added. So see, when you are done selling the phone, you are going to get another profit from the fair price that you added on top of the actual price, right? And then you are still going to get the 15% or 20% agreed commission between you and the actual seller of the product. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. Let me know in the comment section if you're understanding exactly what I'm saying. So this is another way you can actually make money. The 25,850 that you added, you are going to get money from it. You're also going to get your agreed commission of 25, 10, 15%, depending on the agreed commission between you and the actual seller of the product, right? So this is how you can be able to make money selling people's products. Now, since you know how to make money selling someone's product, the next thing you need to know is hot selling products. Yes, you can actually upload any product that you want, but it is better you know the hot selling product so that you can be able to be selling as fast as possible to make a whole lot of money, right? Now, one of the high selling products is clothes, used shoes, phones, power bank, and baby items. These are the hot selling products. used clothes and shoes, power bank, phones, and then baby kits or baby items. These are the hot selling items. So since you've known the hot selling items, I want us to move over to how you can be able to upload these products on Facebook Marketplace. So I want you to follow me to the screen of my phone so I can take you step by step on how you can be able to do that. So if you have gotten to this point, you're doing well. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's proceed, guys. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can upload your products and start selling to make profit for yourself. So once you get to your Facebook account, I want you to click over here, the hamburger sign at the right top corner of your phone. So once you click on the hamburger sign, I want you to click over here that says marketplace. Click on marketplace. You are first and foremost going to see the product for sale. Just like I said, power bank is one of the hot selling products. So when you scroll down, you are going to still see phones and the rest of them. Okay, so we are here to sell, right? We're not here to buy. So what we are going to do is we're going to scroll up and then click over here that says sell. Okay, so once you click on sell, then it is going to ask you if what you're selling is items, is it vehicles, is it homes that is for sale or rent. What we are selling is items, so we're going to click on item. So once you click on item, over here is where you are going to upload the picture of that particular item. Okay, here is where you are going to type in the title. The title means the name of the product you want to sell. Okay, here is where you are going to type in the price you are selling that particular item. Select the category, the condition of that particular item. Is it new? Is it fairly used? And then over here is the description. The description is going to have like some tags that customers, whenever they are searching for a particular thing, your product is going to come out, right? So that is what you are going to do. Then once you are done with that, scroll down and then click over here. If you don't want your friends to see this, just check this and then your friends will not see it. And then they said list in more places. This more places is if you have like other groups, there are Facebook groups that you can actually list these products. You don't only limit it on marketplace, the Facebook marketplace. You can still extend it to Facebook groups so that people in so many Facebook groups can see it, and then if they're interested, they can reach out to you and buy. So we're going to click over here that says add photos. So click on add photos and we're going to select the pictures that we want. So we're going to be selecting these two just for the purpose of this video. You can select as many as you want. So let's select only these two. Okay, click on that, click on done again, select the two, then click on next over here. Okay, so this is next. Click on next and then we are done selecting. In case you want to add more pictures, go ahead and then click on this add picture. Add as many pictures as you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in the title of what we are selling. So let's say it's lights. Okay, lights. Let's just, for the sake of this video, over here we are going to type the amount we are going to be selling it. Remember I made mention of fair price, adding a fair price. So let's say the actual price this particular person wants to sell this glass and then light is 100,000. So we're going to add our own fair price, which is 125, so that if the person is going to negotiate, the person could end up buying it 115,000. Okay, so let's say 125,000, right? Yes. So we are going to click over here to select the category, but automatically Facebook has already categorized our product by saying light bulbs. Okay, so we just have to go ahead and click over here in order to select the condition of this particular product. Is it new? Facebook is asking you if the product is new. Is it used like new? Okay, is it used good? Is it still good? Is it used fair, like it's fairly used something? So let's select the condition of it. So let's say it's newly used. Okay, so we are going to be typing the description over here. So let's say the product we want to sell is phone. So you've already typed in the title, which is the name of the phone. So let's say you've typed the title, we're selling phones. So if you type the title, it could be iPhone 15. Okay, any phone you are selling. So type it, the price and everything. The description is going to carry also the name of that phone that you are selling. All right, it is going to carry the color of that phone that you are selling. It is going to carry the battery capacity of that phone that you are selling, the mAh. It is going to carry the RAM of the phone you are carrying, the internal memory of the phone you are carrying, okay, that your phone you want to sell. So these are the things you need to list. is going to contain. And also, even though you've selected the category or the condition, I mean to say that it is fairly used, still narrate it in the description that this is 3 months old, or this is 1 month old used phone, or this is 2 weeks old. Narrate it in that description, so anybody that is going to be reading that will know how extent you've used this particular product. That is how I am doing it myself. I'm telling you how me personally is doing it. So once you are done with that, let's go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so once you click on publish, people will start contacting you, and then you start negotiating with them. Once you make a sale, remember to remove your fair price, the money you added to the actual price, the money you added. Okay, remove it, then give the actual seller the money, right? Give the actual seller the money, then the actual seller is going to now give you your own percentage. That is what you are going to do. Now, one of the things that is going to help you to close sales is answering or responding to messages that people send to you promptly. You don't, someone cannot send message to you concerning this particular product that you posted or listed, and then it's going to take you like 2 hours or 3 hours before you can be able to respond to the person. You are not spending money, no capital, no investment. The only thing you are spending is just your time. So make sure you have that time to be able to respond to these people, right? Yes, respond as fast as possible, because it's going to build trust, and then it will end up leading to you closing that particular sales, right? So this is how you are going to do it. This is how you upload, and this is how people can reach out to you and buy the products. Pass like this, my guys. Pass like this. Click the like button if you have gotten to this point. Yes, click the like button and then subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and smash the subscription button. It's not going to take extra data from you. Okay, yes, so let's continue, guys. So my good friend, that is how you can be able to make money online using Facebook Marketplace. Zero capital, zero risk, huge potential. Now, if you have gotten to this point, click the like button. Yes, go ahead and smash the like button in appreciation of the value you got in today's video. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. So guys, we recently created a WhatsApp group, and what we do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various ways, strategies, and methods you can be able to make money for yourself online and offline. And I really want you to join this WhatsApp community, and I'm going to be leaving the link to join in the video description and as well as the comment section. Click the link and I'll be expecting you there. Now, in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to make money for yourself, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, or more ways you can be able to make money without any capital, no investments, no spending money, no bringing 2 persons that will end up bringing extra 2 persons. You see this video you are seeing on the screen right now? Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys. Yes, keep winning, and always remember that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, bye for now.